Welcome back to Business with Haitian American Millennials. For a new entrepreneur, your main goal might be to make a lot of money, right? But what's the point of making all that money if you don't get to keep it? The key to wealth is not what you earn or what you make. It's actually what you keep. And in this episode, I'm going to share with you guys a tax saving tip that you can start implementing today to start saving you money and helping you keeping all the rich and wealth that you work so hard to earn. Over 40 million Americans use their home as a home office and work out of there at least part of the time. And there's a good reason for that. Using your home as a home office offers plenty of advantages, mostly a lot of tax benefits, along with the ease of having your own computer, your own smartphone, and access to the internet. If you guys saw my other video about taxes, you would know that typically your mortgage or your rent can't really be used as a deduction because those are personal expenses. However, if you incorporate yourself, or for certain self-employed individuals or employees, you could use your home as a home office, and now your mortgage payment and a portion of your rent, whichever one you're doing, whether you own or you rent, could be tax deductible. Using your home as a home office, you could use depreciation as a deduction. You could deduct the rent, the mortgage interest, the taxes, maintenance, and utilities. However, the rules for what constitutes a home as a home office are very strict with the IRS. You can't just say, oh, my kitchen is my office, and think that the IRS is just going to let you off easy like that. You know, they want their money. So there are very specific rules that you must follow in order to claim your home as a home office and be able to deduct part of those costs. First and foremost, to use your home as a home office, you must use part of your home exclusively and regularly for business purposes. In addition to that, your home office must meet one of the following criteria. Rule number 1, it must be your principal place of business. Number 2, it must be a place where you meet with clients or customers. And rule number 3 is it could be a separate structure on your property that is not attached to your house, such as a garage or something. So let's define some rules. In order for your home to qualify as a home office, it has to be used exclusively for your business. Now, what does exclusive mean? Exclusive means that it is only used for business purposes and not for personal reasons. So if you have a spare room or a den where you have a computer, a filing cabinet, and a telephone, it won't qualify as a home office if you also use it as a guest room on the weekends or whenever you have family over. This room must be used only for your business. But just because a room is used only for your business or your home office is used only for your business does not mean that the entire room must be used for the business. Just a portion of the room, as long as it's only used for your business. That means you could take a portion of your kitchen or a portion of the den. It doesn't have to be the entire space, you know? As long as there's a portion that's used just only for business purposes and you don't double up for personal use, then you could call it a home office. There are 2 exceptions for this rule. The 2 exceptions are if you're running a daycare or if you use your home as storage space. I'm not really going to get into that too much, but I'll make another video. Stay tuned for that. All right, so your home office must be your principal place of business. Your principal place of business means the main place where you conduct your business, or in short, where you make your money. So if at your home is where you come and meet with clients, and that's where clients come, I guess you do photography or whatever, that will be your home office. That is your principal place of business, and that will qualify as a home office. There was a recent change to this rule that's actually particularly good for musicians. Generally, any room that you use only for practice can qualify as a home office as long as you're practicing for shows or for future recordings. Your home office could also just be a place where you meet with patients or clients. In that case, your home office doesn't have to be your main office, but as long as patients or clients come to your house and you conduct business there, you can call it a satellite office and you will still get these home office deductions. That means if you're a lawyer and you have a firm where you work at, you can still consult with your clients out of your home. However, if you're only making phone calls or filling orders out of your home office, then you won't qualify, and that won't qualify as a home office. Now, the last rule that I have for you guys that you can use in order to qualify a space as a home office is that if you have a separate structure on your property that is not attached to the house, such as a garage, a den, a studio, a greenhouse, or a barnyard, and you use it in any way, shape, or form for your business, then that qualifies as a home office. It doesn't need to be your principal place of business, and it doesn't have to be somewhere where you meet with clients. But as long as it's a separate structure on your property where you conduct some business, then it does qualify as a home office. So again, you guys see there's plenty of ways that you could convert your home into a home office. If you could meet any of those two rules, the first rule that I said, which is use a portion of your home for business, and any of the other 3 rules that I gave to you earlier, then you're on your way to countless tax savings, whether that's writing off your rent, writing off your mortgage payment, depreciation of the furniture in your room, the guitars you may have. There's so many tax breaks that you can use once you can qualify to have a home office. I hope you guys found this video useful. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you guys never miss out on any of my other videos. See you guys soon.